Hi, I'm Mark Harpnaugh, Manager of the Lawn Care Division at A+ Lawn and Landscaping. What you should do on mowing, you should never mow more than 1/3 of the plant of grass off. So that means it should be every 4 to 5 days it could take you, or in the summer it could be 7 days. Sharpness of the blade is one of the most important things for a lawn. If you have a dull blade and it's ripping the grass and causing fungus and disease and ripping it to a point where it's turning the lawn brown, that will cause a lot of unhealthy lawn in your grass. So keeping a sharp blade will keep the lawn really healthy and lush and green. I do not recommend mowing the same pattern every week. You need to switch it up and do cross mowing because the grass plant needs to grow at 3 to 3.5 inches, and by mowing different directions will keep the blade at that same height. I do not recommend bagging. If you bag, all you're doing is taking nutrients out of the soil. You need to leave the fertilizers back in the yard. So by more frequent mowing of the grass plant at 1/3 of the plant, we'll put the nutrients back in the lawn and make the lawn healthy and lush. Need any more help? Call A+ Lawn Landscape. Check out our website, apluslawn.com.